Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Red color, chocolate color, green color, orange color, blue color, pink color, black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: square, triangle, pentagon, star, heart and circle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Square, triangle, pentagon, star, heart, circle. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, square, green color, square, pink color, triangle, pink color, triangle, blue color, pentagon, blue color, pentagon, orange color, star, orange color, star, red color, heart, red color, heart, chocolate color, circle, chocolate color, circle. What we learn? We learn green color, square, pink color, triangle, blue color, pentagon, orange color, star, red color, heart, chocolate color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.